top news headlines. 1 Mizoram police personnel killed, 10 hurt in road mishap. World War III will involve nukes, says Russian Foreign Minister. Embassy issues urgent advisory to Indian nationals. Hello, this is Bona TV giving you the latest English bulletin at 7. I'm LAKSMIBAI. Now the news in detail. A Tata DI mini truck carrying Mizoram armed police personnel and goods met with an accident in Tamenglong district early on Wednesday. 1 personnel of Mizoram State Armed Police Force SAPF died and 10 others were injured in the road mishap. It is said the unfortunate incident occurred at Tamenglong College campus around 1:30 a.m., a police report said. The injured were rushed to Tamenglong District Hospital. K. Lalampua of Champai, Mizoram succumbed to his injuries. Among the injured, 5 are in critical condition. They have been referred to Imphal for better treatment. Meanwhile, a bolero carrying about 20 passengers met with an accident at Tubung Nungsai village under None police station at around 10:30 a.m. on Wednesday. A report said 1 passenger succumbed and 17 others were critically injured in the mishap. They have been brought to Raj Medicity Hospital in Imphal for treatment. Further details are awaited. Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov said on Wednesday that if a third world war were to take place, it would involve nuclear weapons and be destructive. Lavrov has said that Russia, which launched what it calls a special military operation against Ukraine last week, would face a real danger if Kyiv acquired nuclear weapons. Meanwhile, the assault on the Ukrainian city of Kharkiv continued even as Russia said it would be ready to resume talks with the Ukrainian side in the evening. On the other hand, a 40-mile, 64-kilometer convoy of hundreds of Russian tanks and other vehicles advanced slowly on Kyiv, the capital city of nearly 3 million people, in what the West feared was a bid by Putin to topple the government and install a Kremlin-friendly regime. India on Wednesday asked all its nationals in the besieged eastern Ukrainian city of Kharkiv to leave immediately for their safety and security a day after an Indian student was killed in a Russian attack. The Indian nationals in Kharkiv were asked to travel to other nearby Ukrainian cities such as Pesochin or to Bech-Lyudovka and Velgorod in Russia, according to an urgent advisory issued by the Indian embassy on Twitter. Urgent advisory to all Indian nationals in Kharkiv: for their safety and security, they must leave Kharkiv immediately, the tweet said. Proceed to Pesochin, Bavaye, and Bech-Lyudovka as soon as possible. Under all circumstances, they must reach these settlements by 1800 hours Ukrainian time today, it added. The advisory was issued amid reports of more explosions in Ukraine's second-largest city during a massive assault by Russian forces. Ukrainian authorities said the central parts of Kharkiv were being subjected to massive shelling and bombing, and several administrative buildings collapsed after being hit by missiles. According to official estimates, some 4,000 Indians are stranded in Kharkiv, Sumy, and other cities in eastern Ukraine due to the intense fighting and shelling by Russian forces. A final-year medical student from India, Navin Sekharappa Gyan Dagodar, was killed in an attack by Russian forces in Kharkiv on Tuesday when he stepped out of a shelter to buy food. Russia's ambassador-designate in New Delhi, Denis Alipov, told reporters on Wednesday that his country is working on creating humanitarian corridors so that Indian nationals in conflict zones can be pulled out to Russian territory. He also said Russia will investigate the incident that resulted in the death of the Indian student. NAB Manipur seized around 34 kgs of opium at Kurai, Ningthaubung on Wednesday around 8:30 a.m. As part of the sustained drive against trafficking of illicit drugs and other contraband items during the State Assembly election 2022, random and surprise frisking and checking was conducted by teams of NAB Manipur under the supervision of SP NAB in different districts of Manipur. A Toyota bearing registration number MN06LA3456 with flag post coming from Ukhrul towards Lamlai area in a suspicious manner was signaled to stop, but it fled away. The NAB teams then chased the vehicle and were finally caught at Kurai, Ningthaubung. The driver was identified as Salam Khogen Singh, aged 36 years, son of S. Bobby Singh, and a resident of Kongpal, Chingangbam Lekai, Imphal East. On checking the vehicle, 34 packets weighing about 34 kgs of suspected opium was found in the back of the vehicle. The vehicle was registered in the name of Langpok Lakbam Jayantakumar Singh, son of L. Vagyachandra Singh of Pisumthong Oinam Lekai, Imphal West District. On spot verification, the driver Salam Khogen Singh stated that he is an interstate drug trafficker and he indulged in trafficking of illicit drugs several times before. A case has been registered at NAB Police Station for further investigation. Manipur on Wednesday reported 32 COVID-19 fresh infections, taking the total tally to 136,835. One death was reported in the past 24 hours, taking the death toll to 2,113. As per the Manipur COVID-19 Command Control Room, the positivity rate was recorded at 2.3%. The Manipur COVID-19 Command Control Room said the fresh infections were detected after testing a total of 1,397 samples in the past 24 hours. It said altogether 17 persons were recuperated from the disease in the same hours. A BJP supporter from 29/12B1 Sangit polling station in 29 Kumbi constituency was attacked allegedly by 2 NPP workers. The incident occurred at around 11 p.m. yesterday. It is said that the NPP workers from Kumbi Municipal Council, Ward Number 9, attacked family members of Ram Mite and tore BJP flags. In this regard, a press meet was held at the residence of Wahengbam Ram Mite on Wednesday. Hauzam Nanil, a BJP worker from Kumbi Ward Number 1, said the 2 NPP workers assaulted Ram Mite's wife before tearing BJP flags. The alleged attackers were identified as Morangtem Sova and Kagembam Mangijao from Kumbi Municipal Council, Ward Number 9. He appealed to the concerned authority to take legal action against the duo.
Piralasi Pukna Bohonami Amasung Nakan the labor Piralasi Makoina Pukatana Tudiktana Segagre Mashida Jungi Mina to the show Jungi Mishin Makori Pai the Metna Dr. the Layanari Loina Ashukumba Ganata Zanbaleba Shida Chumot phoning the Botog Asi Habik Boat were a Pashida Makoina Tuan Base Makoibu Matik Chaba Dandi Piheningi Sarkar Paliba Singna Machu Ming Changviduna Akan be action local Piu Natrabadi Aikogi Lariba Local Shida Lariba Muching Achina Sunato Way Kangadi London Nakamai Aikoi BJP Oriba Karmi Singh Natragan Chu Ato Topa the Lariba Karmi Singh Asukuma muscle power si Shinaraga Laikagi Eba BJP Eba Karmi Singh Chevakal Hanaba Tabak per se Sarkar and Ming Changviduna Matik Chabadandi PBU.
A flag hoisting ceremony cum public meeting of JDU candidate from Lilong constituency, Al-Haj Mohammad Abdul Nasir, was held on Wednesday at Lilong Taren Makong. A large number of his supporters brought rice and vegetables on the occasion, giving blessing to Al-Haj Mohammad Abdul Nasir for his victory. Speaking at the event, Thangmaiban MLA KH Joy Kisan said that JDU's victory in Lilong was imminent. Counting of vote for the two-phase Manipur polls 2022 will take place on March 10. Joy Kisan stated that JDU works after attachment with the public, but the BJP uses muscle and money power. He expressed hope that the JDU will win the Manipur polls.
Manipuri oreba film sidaida lilong prajalan nasik thagalo de bagi maram se kari no shu Manipur masal power se praja ge min sina ma ki bo pi ne se ai me amna thamjage aduga amukso nasi BJP gi miyo sina paisa ge lakpa pacha thadarak bada mayam lokthok piyo maram de makoi ge paisa do makoi ge nate pocket tagi lukto biyo paisa ne ba akoi ge paisa ngata ne
haidok pasida mai pa badi inshallah kilometer traum do gi koila sawa se lilong kendra gi ahan boy na baikat ke nihai base oina ma masum ke phakan ji praja singa ai masi tha jaba thamjari aduga 1947 gi august ki tang 35 da bharat na ning tambagi ngai kiba numit ado lilong praja gi amuba kali tai kiba numit ado mars ki tang manga da tha thagadauriba election asida tang 10 da karigumba Allah na mai pa ko gi numit adu hen birabadi polling nifu mari makta adu gi nungai bagi thoram ado amuk hanna bharat ki ning kamba phangki ba du maina lilong gi su ning kamba numit amani haina mayam harau ba phangdok minasi legai legai da kari rumba khai tu ra su sami naraga nungai ba phangdok minasi hai ba wahi dumang ni thamjaningi ba.
Now let's take a short break. Keep watching.
Congress की पांडम नारोल सिंह की दमक सही खुदिंगी अनोब थबक लिसिंग यांखई पीगनी मणिपुर स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन लिंखत कनी हांगदुना लाइव फम सिंह नियम सुमना मदी लौथुप लौकोय लेतना मेंशन गनी थबक फंगदबा नहा सिंह दा सेल की मतेंग पीगनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट खुदिंगी मल्टी स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटी सेंटर अमदी कल्चरल सेंटर अममम थमगनी कांग्रेस द वोट पीबीयू नहारोल द थबक पीरसी
Welcome. After the break, you're watching Pona TV English News at 7. All Manipur Students Union Amsu Kakching District organized a district-level mathematics competition on the theme Campaign for Total Education. Commenting on the competition, Amsu Kakching District Committee General Secretary Mayingbam Bidyashore said the union has been resolutely working for the betterment of the student community and the public at large since its inception back in 1965. He said that due to COVID-19 pandemic, students have not been able to attend regular classes for a long time, and hence the union tried to give some relief to the students, especially those who are preparing for the upcoming HSLC examination by organizing such competition. A total of 185 students participated in the competition. The result will be announced within 10 days through print and electronic media and AMSU Facebook page.
Manipur Mahara Singh Punba Look Suna 1965 ki sak tang bagi rodu do ying si pawda Manipur Kunai si maruina Mahara Kunai gi chakot thawang gi demokta bok thong kya pa makko kuna la bi masi gi makha thar koina yin khwa ke pa thi mi makha da campaign for total education na ba thim masi da Kemsu Kakching district committee da COVID-19 da kamthing ga wana ro matam masi da Mahara Singh khistong oi ju pangan thong na ham gi pandam da district level match competition ma sinjari competition si da Tuan best coaching district lingbe tuna Mahara Singh sina mahung pa bi demokta Mahara Singh bu Kemsu Kakching district ki side gi harau mai ba phongdo chari amadi ape ma phongdo chari loina na matum tarpa Kemsu gi thabak thom singda Mahara Singh na puni thokat tiba amadi sopi gani hai gi thale bu tham.
Personnel of Narcotic Cell Police Station CID manning the narcotic checkpoint at Kuzama under Kohima district seized 50 soap cases containing suspected heroin powder on February 27 according to Nagaland police. The personnel of Narcotic Cell Police Station stopped a vehicle for routine checking at around 1 p.m. on that day, police also said. A search of the vehicle and the occupant resulted in the seizure of 50 swab cases of suspected heroin weighing approximately 600 grams, which worth approximately Rs 1.8 crore in the illicit global market. One person identified as Lemintang under Morbung Police Station, Manipur, was arrested in this connection, according to the police. In this connection, a case has been registered for further investigation. Meghalaya Home Minister LAKSMIBAI said the state government is yet to get any response from the Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA) on the proposal for the appointment of an interlocutor to facilitate peace talks with the banned Hainutrap National Liberation Council (HNLC). We have returned to the MHA and we have given the names for the appointment of an interlocutor. However, we are yet to get any response from the MHA, Rimboy told reporters. He also informed that Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma will also take up the issue during his meeting with the MHA on the border agreement between Assam and Meghalaya on March 9. Refusing to disclose the names shortlisted for the purpose, Rimboy said that since the matter is with the central government, the names will be disclosed at an appropriate time. We have sent the names which we thought would be acceptable to both the central government and the state government, he added. When asked, the Home Minister, however, said that the nitty-gritty of the matter will be taken up once the appointment of an interlocutor is completed. We want this first step to being moved as fast as possible from the government be completed, then only we will do all nitty-gritty afterwards, he said, while adding, once we have appointed, then the HNLC can directly contact with this person, whoever may be appointed, then the nitty-gritty of that talk will be known after that. The Home Minister then said that it is too premature to say anything before the appointment of the person concerned. An 800 vehicles strong convoy of the Russian military has reportedly been destroyed by the Ukrainian forces near Bastanka city in Mykolaiv region of Ukraine. Ukraine's Air Force, along with units of the Army and Territorial Defense, intercepted and destroyed the large Russian military convoy. The development was confirmed by Regional Council Head of Dnipropetrovsk, Mykola Lukashuk. Reportedly, a few Russian soldiers were also held captive by the Ukrainian forces. During the operation, the Ukrainian Defense Forces also lost one helicopter. However, the pilots of the helicopter managed to survive. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at the top news headlines again. Mizoram police personnel killed, 10 hurt in Murad mishap. World War III will involve nukes, says Russian Foreign Minister. Embassy issues urgent advisory to Indian nationals. Thank you for watching Pony TV. For more updates, keep watching Pony TV and stay tuned.